Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making the perfect pause reel type video. So let's get started. First we upload and select the image we'll be using. Then go ahead to adjust and crop our image to fit the frame. After this is done, we'll duplicate our image twice and then remove the both of the image's background. We go ahead to edit one of the image by creating a shadow, create an outline shadow and change the color to white. After that is done, we go ahead to still edit the image and by clicking on dual tone and create a custom color change. For the highlight and the shadow, we have to use the same shade of black. So as you can see, I'm trying to change the highlights and the shadow to the same color code, which is black. Next, I go ahead to add a new page, and on the new page I'm going to make the background color black, and then I copy the edited image to the second page. After this is done, I copy the second page to my clipboard, which I'm trying to do now. After this is done, I delete the previously edited one and now paste what I have on my clipboard on the first page. Then I take out the background. After this is done, I adjust the outline to fit the cutout object. Remember, I have an image that is just the object in the frame. I go ahead to select the background image, the main image, and I make it blue. This is to make the major object, the main object of the page, very visible. Remember, this is only done to the background image. So you can see we have the outline and then the image with just the object. I try to rearrange it and put the object in front and the highlight just behind the object, but I align it to fit where the object cutout stays. When this is done, I click on my object and I try to animate it. I click on animate and I create an animation. While doing this, I click on shift and I drag my object just across the background image. So you can see. We can increase the speed of this and also change the movement style. Here I am choosing steady and I'm increasing the speed. You choose the intensity of the speed if you want it to be really fast or really slow. After that is done, you take out the dark page and you duplicate your main screen as many times as you want. I try to preview it and you can see that it stopped. So I go back to adjust the timing. I adjust the timing between the pages transition and I made it really fast. So it's going to play more like a video instead of images. Now we have our perfect pause frame. We can as well just go back to add a little bit of text. Visibility. I go ahead to copy the text and paste it on the remaining 5 pages. This is so it plays smoothly, just like a video. And voila, here we have it. So let me know what you think. You can go ahead to download your video in an MP4 video format and save it. So thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this, and let me know what you would also like to see next. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.